Hello folks, 018 here. We got a midnight special, 250. Had a blow pill in they're DI 1446s. Of course I ain't got no DIs. And don't even have no 1446s. So what I did, I changed them both. I put two 2290s in it. Put it on low power here, we'll see what she does. The build's pretty much the same, everybody knows that. Reflect, low power, 5-1 reverse. Let's put it on high for reflex. Worldwide, half watt back. Input tune, worldwide, numbers off. Alright, we'll start at low power. Low power average. Worldwide, about 80. Low power high average. Worldwide, trying to do 100. PP. Let's go to low power again. Low power. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, about 300. Let's see. I'm sure it's on low. 1, 2, 1, 2, over 300 on high. Not a whole lot difference between low and high. Just a little under 300 on low and over 300 on high. Worldwide, 1, 2. We'll check it again, double check it on this other bird. 1,000 watt slug, PUP, reading that bottom scale on high. 15.5, about 25 PUP drive. Worldwide, working my midnight special. Working my little midnight special. The 2HG 2290s and my little midnight special. Worldwide. 2HG 2290s. The meter on the right is a little looser. 2HGs, it ain't the meter, actually it's a slug. Working my little X-Force midnight special. Worldwide. Get down. Breaker. There you go, bud. She's all fixed up for you. I'll send you a total here in a minute, shipping back to you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend 10 018 be with us. Bye.